Okay, here's a few questions that are good ones to solve. So this first one, it says it expresses a single log. So I want to squish them together. So if I see ln and ln, I can squish them depending on what that sign is. If it's a minus, it's a quotient law. So I'll write it as ln of x squared minus 4 over x plus 2. Now the top, I can factor to x plus 2, x minus 2. And if I have an x plus 2 on the bottom, I can cancel those two. So my final answer would be ln of x minus 2. The next one, you have to take log base a of 72 and break it up. And so you could break it up into log base like 8 times 9, like looking for factors of 72. And then I can break the 8 and the 9 up as well. And the numbers that I'm looking for are 2, 3, or 4. So I could break log base 8 into 2 times 4, and 9 to 3 times 3. And then I can use the product law to break all of that apart, to split it into separate logs. So it'd be log base a of 2, I should have a base there, plus log base a of 4, plus log base a of 3, plus log base a of 3. And then log base a of 2 right up here is the same as 0.693. So I'll just write 0.693 plus log base 4 is 1.396. Log base a of 3 is 1.099. And then plus 1.099 again. And then just add those numbers up. This next one, 14, is one where first you need to change the radical to a fractional exponent. So I'm going to change that to 8, and then the fractional exponent, whatever this index is, goes on the bottom. Whatever the power of 8 is, and it's not written there, so I assume it to be a 1, goes on top. Then I can use the power rule to take that and put it out front. So it'd be 1/3 ln of 8. And that's a product, and it says expresses a product, so there you go, something times something. I'll do these last two as well. So this first one is 3 to the 10 minus 2x. The next one, I notice that 9 and 3 are similar. Like I can write 9 as a power of 3, so I'm going to write that as 2 squared. If I have same bases, then I can just equate their exponents. So it'll be 10 minus 2x is equal to 2. I'll take the 10 to the other side and make it negative. Is that right? Yeah. So it'd be 2 minus 10. And then it'd be minus 2x is equal to a negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 2 and you get 4. And I think if you plug a 4 in there, that checks out. The last one, I'd like to do that too, but there's no way I can get 44 to 3.72 to something. So in this case, I can just change its form from exponential to logarithmic. So it'd be log base 3.7 of 44 is equal to x. And then just plug that in on your calculator. All right, hopefully that helps you with those 4 or 5 questions.